How to show followers on Facebook account. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to go on the Facebook app on your mobile. As you go on the Facebook app on your mobile, then you have to go on these three lines that are located on the right corner and click on them, and then you have to scroll down and go on the settings and privacy option, and then you have to go on settings option. As you go on the settings option, then you have to scroll down, and under the audience and visibility option, you have to go on followers and public content. As you click on followers and public content option, now you will over here find an option of public or friends. If you show it to public now, then now you will be able to show your followers on Facebook to anybody that wants to see. That's all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.